Hi, in this video we are discuss about GATE 2021 notification update. GATE 2020-21 organized by IIT Bombay, and we are discussed about some of the major changes in electrical syllabus. Highlights of GATE 2021: date of examination February 2021, 5th, 6th, 7th, 12th, 13th and 14th. There are two sections, forenoon, afternoon each day. Fully computer based test, two new subject ES and SH, total number of paper 27, syllabi of all subject revised for GATE 2021. But in this video we are discuss about major changes in electrical subject. All test paper of GATE 2021 will be entirely objective type. Pattern of question may be MCQ, MSQ or NAT question. One or two subject papers are allowed. Paper combination have been chosen from the given list of combination. This is the new in this GATE 2021. One or two subject paper are allowed. Two paper combination have to chosen from the given list of combination. Final allotment of two paper will be subject to availability of infrastructure and dates. Eligibility criteria is relaxed. A candidate who currently studying third year in previous GATE examination only final year candidate are allowed, but in this GATE 2021 third year and final year are allowed. Already completed any government approved degree from program in engineering, technology, architecture, commerce, arts and eligible to apply for GATE 2021 examination. Main important for appearing examination there is no age limit. Application will be accepted online through GATE website link. GATE online application processing system. GATE 2021 score will be remain valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of result. Depending upon COVID-19 situation, schedule of GATE 21 examination may be changed. Due to COVID-19 related international travel restriction, examination at the international center may be dropped if the situation is not conceived by end of November 2020. Details available in official website. Pattern of examination is like normal type of question only, major changes. Otherwise exam CBT format 3 hours, total number of subject 27, and type of question MCQ, MSQ and NAT, remaining all are same. Detailed mark scheme, this is also like previous one only. These are the major engineering stream. General aptitude 15 mark, subject mark 85, totally 100. Time duration 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. Important dates: application open on 14th September, closing date regular 30, and end of extended period application with late fee payment 7th October. Last date for change of category paper and examination city 13th November. Admit card available in online 8th January. These are the exam date we are already discussed. GATE 2021 examination forenoon 9 to 12 and afternoon 3 to 6. Both are tentative. These are the date. Announcement of result on the online application portal Monday 22nd March. Important notes: the health and safety of the candidate are utmost priority due to current COVID-19 pandemic situation. Date mentioned here are subject to change. In rare cases, it may be necessary to postpone the GATE 2020 examination because of situation beyond the control of GATE committee. All the updates are available in IIT Bombay website. GATE paper, totally 27 paper. These are the combination. For electrical we can apply for EE and instrumentation, and EC we can apply for instrumentation and physics. These are the allowed combination of codes of paper. This is mainly subject to availability of infrastructure and schedule. GATE 2021 application fee. Female candidate per paper 750. Late fee means 1250. SC, ST, PWD candidate per paper 750. Late payment 1250. All other candidate normal fee 1500. Late payment during extended period 2000. This is for candidate from other countries. Saudi, Addis Ababa, Colombia, Dhaka, Kathmandu per paper, and Dubai and Singapore per paper. Right. Syllabus is there in the GATE 2021 information brochure. So here we are discuss some major changes in engineering mathematics. Two topics are removed compared with previous one, that is transform theory and numerical method is not available for GATE 2021, and electrical circuits graph theory is not applicable, and EMT is same like previous one. Signal system, this last line is included, that is RMS value, average value calculation of any periodic wave. Generally this is there in electric circuits. Here in this GATE 2021 this topic is mentioned in signals and system. Electrical machine, only one topic is not available, that is starter of DC motor is not available. Remaining portion are like previous one. In power system, new syllabus is added, that is economic load dispatch with and without considering transmission losses. This only topic is added in GATE 2021. In control system, all the topic are same as previous GATE exam, and electrical and electronic instrument also like previous GATE syllabus. Section 9 analog and digital, here major changes: microprocessor programming, architecture and interfacing is not there in GATE 2021. Remaining all are same. Power electronics, triarc, only the power electronic device, thyristor, MOSFET and IGBT are available. Remaining topic are removed from GATE 2021. Thank you. All the best for your GATE 2021 exam. Prepare well. All the best. Thank you.